Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot access your Motorola Razr Fold using your device's PIN code. In such case, first of all, make sure that you are entering the security PIN code that you set up yourself and not your device's SIM card PIN code, because those two are oftenly mistaken for each other. And if you are sure of that, then let's go to other troubleshooting steps. Now, the best troubleshooting would be reaching out directly to Motorola Customer Support service, since they are the only ones who can help you out in this situation and help you regain access to your smartphone without removing any personal data from your device. Therefore, reach out to them directly, and if you and then show them describe the the issue to them, and show them the proof of the ownership of your smartphone. So it can be a receipt from the store where you bought this device, or an e-receipt from the same store, and this way they'll be able to resolve this issue practically for you, or at least guide you through the steps to resolve this issue. Otherwise, you're going to have to perform a factory reset operation, and you have two ways of doing that. Now, the first one is remote, and to perform a remote factory reset operation, you're going to need a second device. It can be not only a smartphone, it can be a tablet, laptop, or whatever has the internet access. Once you turn on this device, you're going to have to open the web browser on it and find this FindHub website. Open it and then sign in to your Google account that is linked with your Motorola Razr on this website. Once you do so, you'll be able to see your Motorola Razr on the list, and if you select it from another device and go to settings, you'll be able to spot this factory reset option, which you can select to perform factory reset operation remotely. And after you perform factory reset operation remotely, you'll be able to set up your device once again and start using it again. Otherwise, you're going to have to perform the factory reset operation locally. And to do that, first of all, we're going to have to force restart our smartphone by, first of all, unfolding it, which is very important, and then pressing the power button and volume down keys until the screen of our smartphone goes off. Once it goes off, we're going to have to release both of these buttons for just a moment and then start pressing it again right away. This will open up the fastboot flash mode. Here we'll be able to navigate using volume up and volume down keys. Navigate until you highlight the recovery mode option and press power button to confirm. Then wait for a couple of seconds, and in just a moment you are going to see the Android robot line on your screen with no command message. Now, to skip it, hold down the power button briefly and short press the volume up key while you're holding it. Now, this will redirect us to the recovery mode, and here we can navigate using volume up and down keys and select with the power button. This way, you're going to have to select wipe data / factory reset option. And then on the following screen, select factory data reset. Once you do so, you'll see some logs appearing at the bottom of your screen and get redirected to Android recovery once again. Now here you just want to select reboot system now and wait until your device is restarted, which is going to take some time. So I also recommend connecting your device to the charger right now. And after that, your device will be fully reset and you'll be able to set it up once again. And that's how you resolve this issue. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.